this time it is now 8 July of the year 2021, and this morning I awake because I hear a beep sound coming from this carbon monoxide alarm. What did I do? I take out the old batteries and then I replace them, and I take the new batteries, and now I show you what happened then. You turn it around, and then I have to put in one. Yes, that's one. And then you think when you put in, everything is under control, but that's not so. Now look, now there are new batteries in. Look what he does. There is standing 0, 0, 0. Now I put a reset knob, test menu. But then you stay a moment on 0, 0, 0, yeah? But then I wait a moment. Now, and look, fault alarm. It is 23 degrees. That's very nice, but I'm not interested in the 23 degrees. I am interested in my alarm. And now I wake. I put in the new batteries. And look, fault alarm. And then what does he say it? End. He said to me, it is end. What does that mean? And then I turn the device, I turn and turn it, and then I see something that's very miraculous. Look. Also, I can't use it anymore. And now I was searching and searching what is happening, and then, hey, what is standing there? Expert. The end is on the 6th month of 2021. Thus the DV said, I stop working. It's very a pity because, yeah, it's a good device, and now I have to buy a new one because of the person who has made it said you only have to use it till this month, and then you have to buy a new one. Therefore, be careful when you buy such a thing, such a device. Look at this side so you can see how many months he can help you, and then you have to buy a new one. Okay, that was it, folks. See you again. Bye-bye. And now I bought a new one. His name is Flamingo. No. And then I go looking what they told me. And looky, lifetime 7 years. Now I will open it and look. Or they write it on the device. Replace 7 years after. Ersetzen 7 Jahre vervangen. Therefore then I write on this side my own. I write down now it is 7/2021. and I make 7/2028. And every time when you change the battery, then you will see here the date on that the device is finished. Okay. Therefore, it's very important for your life that you will give attention for this. This it is, friends. See you again. Bye bye.